All right, second graders, I learned a little tip for multiplying by 6. So, to do this tip or trick though, you need to be pretty good with your 5s. So 5s are easy because if you've noticed, I'm sure you've noticed that all your answers are the same things you would say if you were counting by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, I'll go down here, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, and you keep going, 5 times 5, 5 times 6, 5 times 7, 5 times 8, 5 times 9, 5 times 10. Okay, so if you can picture this, so let me write some of these down. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20, 5 times 5, 25. All right, I'll stop there. Let me squeeze in one more. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, so if you're good at this, when you're multiplying times 6, what you're really saying is just one more of this, the other number, the other factor. 6, one more 2. Here we have 5 3s, 6 3s, 6 4s. So just picture one more of the other number. So watch. So when you're doing 6 times 1, imagine 5 times 1. One more 1 would be what? 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2, if 5 times 2 is 10, we need one more 2 added to this. What would that be? 12. 6 times 3, 5 times 3 is 15. We need one more 3. What's 15 plus 3? 6 times 3 is 18. 5 times 4 is 20. We need one more 4. We have 5 4s. 6 4s would mean one more 4 on this. What would that be? 24. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 5, you're just putting one more 5 on this. 30. 6 times 6. If 5 times 6 was 30, you're putting one more 6 to this answer. This was the answer to 5 times 6. 6 times 6 is just one more 6, 36. So let's rewrite these to make sure we've got it. So 6 times 1, 6. What do we see over here? 6 times 2, 12. What do we see over here? 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 6, 36. Are you seeing it? Let's squeeze in a couple more before I end my video. 6 times 7, 6 times 8, 6 times 9. So, in your mind, picture 5 times 7. What would that be? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 7 fingers, count by 5 is 35. I need to put one more 7 on top of 35. So what would that be? 35 and 7. 42. Did you do some mental math? 35 plus one more 7. I put 5 of these with that. My brain went 40, and there were 2 left. Is that what your brain did? 6 times 8. Picture 5 times 8. What was 5 times 8? 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay. Well, on top of 40, just put one more 8. When we got the answer 40, that was 5 times 8. We just need one more 8. What's 40 and one more 8? 6 times 9. What's 5 times 9? That was right before 5 times 10. Was this 5 times 9? 45. Okay, so that would be 45. We need to add one more 9 on top of 45. Can you picture it? 45 and 9. Put 5 with this. Be 54 left. Did you say 54? And then, of course, anything times 10, you're just going to put a 0 on this number, 60. But this rule still will work with this. What's 5 times 10? 50 plus one more 10, 60. Let me know if this helped, boys and girls. You know, I've said it before, but memorizing is the best. You're just going to need to know that 6 times 9 is 54. You're just going to have it pop into your head that 6 times 8 is 48. You just have to know that. But until your brain memorizes them, these are some strategies to help you picture it and see it and to arrive at an answer. Hope it helps.